My name is Bob Magari. With the hashtag SpaceYaMagari, we are a community of automotive lovers and enthusiasts who talk about everything and anything automotives. However, this has always been an online engagement. We've always done this virtually. We've never met in person. So it's always been one of those challenges we've always wanted to achieve, that we're able to meet guys who ardently follow SpaceYaMagari, people who have supported this project all through. And this time round, we set out on a project that we wanted to meet all the SpaceYaMagari family that we can be able to meet. We call them the Watu wa Magari. We had only one day to do this, so we had to scale down everything we had planned to 5 people. This is what brought us to the next challenge. Who are those 5 people? And we had to find them. So we went online on our social media platform, that's on our Twitter platform. We made out a post and we requested guys to visit the Castro Oil Finder page and screenshot the results of their oil that is customized for their vehicle from the Castro Oil Finder page. Guys did that. We had 5 people who we chose, and that's why we are here today to see if we can be able to get to all the 5 people. Here's a very simple challenge. Our challenge is to visit 5 SpaceYaMagari guys in one day. So we're going to visit them at 5 Ruby's petrol stations, and it's a fine Saturday morning. Yes, so what was SpaceYaMagari? We've been really wanting to meet the guys of SpaceYaMagari, the people who've made this whole project to be possible, the people who've been making sure that we are available anytime, the people who've been supporting this cause. And when Ruby's said that yes, we can be able to do that, we said why not? So today let's make one introduction of one of the guys who've been making this very possible, one of our very good friends, Mr. Anthony, who's been driving a very nice Subaru here. So Mr. Anthony,
yes,
just come. Welcome, man.
Thank you.
Anto is here. He drives this beautiful Subaru. We'll be telling more about this Subaru. But first things first, let's hear what's Anto. Anto, you say you're in the field of data.
I do a lot of data analysis, both finance, yes, and then also marketing. And away from that, yes, I drive a Subaru.
Yes. So Anto, yes, tell us about this beautiful beast of beauty we have here. Yeah. Talk to us about it. What do we have?
Yeah, here we have 2011 Subaru Legacy, yes, 2.5 GT. It's a special Legacy, not just an ordinary Legacy. It's a BR9, it's a turbo. And with this turbo, actually it gives you...
Single?
No, single, yeah. It gives you 285. There's a vehicle, yeah, the moment, you step on your mafuta, throttle, you just feel it is going. But there's another one, you feel like you're pushing it. I don't think I'm going to move away from a Subaru. Actually, even my family knows. Yeah, because even my sons, I have 2 sons, they talk, they sleep, about Subaru. And I think it's the impact, the extended, yes. When it comes to handling, actually it's quite efficient. Can I call it super? Quite super, because it's quite stable. Even when you're cruising, those high speeds. But I've moved away from, high speed. Nowadays, when family steps in, you say, you have to start thinking yourself. That's all. Not even just family. I value safety. Yeah. It's very, very important. Yeah. When I'm on the road, I want to go back home. No, there's nothing like I know my car. You only know your car when you are listening on the road and you're able to hear something happening and say, no, that is abnormal. But car is all about maintenance, making sure that you don't skip. And even don't wait until you exhaust all the duration or the distance that you've been given with that oil or whatever the components that you have on that vehicle. Try to make sure you go in advance so that you're able to pick. And then another thing, don't wait for your car to start demanding. That's something I've learned. Singoje. Eyesight, actually this one is a safety feature. Actually, I normally say for this eyesight, you need to also be careful. Always make sure you're in your safety belt. Full engine, and I think this is a testament to what you're saying. Good taking care of your engine. Like it literally looks brand new.
You're saying
It's a 2011, 2011, and I've stayed with it 3 years.
Yes.
Now you can imagine. And I've never changed anything here.
We've met Mr. Anthony, his beautiful Subaru.
Yes.
We at SpaceYaMagari, we are so happy. And Mr. Anto, to probably say thank you, to Shukuru for this small time that you've made.
Yes.
We have something small.
Yeah.
Our friends from Rubis and Castro have said that when you meet Anto,
Yes.
fikisha kitu kidogo. This is to mark the re-entry of Castro into the Kenyan market. You know, they've been out of the market for close to 20 or so years,
Yes, yes.
but they're back. And we are hoping that this Subaru can also get to enjoy the good oils from Castro. So to start you off is to tell you that if you were looking for Castro oils, you'll now be finding them at Rubis stations.